my fantasy. So take me, baby.
Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And to all my friends, family, and my subscribers, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So guys, if you want to see how I came about this look here, please stay tuned, and me, I shall see you on the next side. The first step that I'm going to do is to apply my moisturizer. As you guys know, I always apply my moisturizer. So before you do anything, you need to apply your moisturizer on your face. So right now, I'm going in with my moisturizer and I'm going to rub that on my face. It's very, very important to make sure that you put moisturizer or primer on your face before. I'm going to take now guys, I'm going to use my translucent powder. Second step we're going to use is my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Liquid Foundation. The next step I'm going to do is to draw my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now I'm going to go in, guys, with my waterproof eyeliner just to fill up my eyebrows. going to go ahead and use my Jacqueline Hill palette. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is this one here. So I'm going to apply that one as my transition color. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this color here and I'm going to put that color on my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this color here and I'm going to put that color on top of my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and draw my lips. I'm going to go ahead and use my Ruby Rose lip gloss. You can see this. Now I'm going to use my mascara and eyeliner. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. guys, we have come to the end of the tutorial. This is the final look, as you can see. Please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this look. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. And thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. It really means a lot to me. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get notification when I upload. So I love you guys, and I shall see you again on my next video. May God bless all of you.